myself Ravi Keerthi. I am the proprietor for Sigma Enterprises. We based out in Bangalore, Jalahalli. We operate in e-commerce lane and market load also. We have around 63 trucks. Out of that, 40 are the major Eicher trucks. Model starts from 2049, 2110 and 3015 model. And our vehicles runs around 15,000 to 20,000 kilometers per month. And comparatively, Eicher mileage is very good. It's compensating 70 to 8% of more compared to other competitive vehicles. We are satisfied with the Eicher mileage. We are being with My Eicher vehicles from the past 10 years. Maintenance is very low. And coming to the service part, I'm very happy with the Eicher service, especially on-road service. We are into e-commerce where we need a breakdown support in 3 hours, but Eicher supported a lot. When we log a complaint, they will come in to us, they will make up. That is a very good thing in us Eicher. When our vehicle go to this service station, they treat it as their own vehicle and they support us also. Compared to driver comfort level, the vehicle is having a very comfort level zone where drivers are very good enough to drive that. And for a driver safety zone, Eicher is having a dual panel cabin which supports a lot when accidents go happens, where drivers will be safe. We are very happy with the My Eicher app where we can see the service level of the vehicle and any ongoing service and diesel theft. It's work like a sensor. We no need to install any additional sensor. We can track the drivers, we can track the fuels, and we can track the behavior of the driver. It's well and good. Coming back to a cruise control, it's well and good. When the vehicles runs in the highway, the driver can operate the cruise control which improve the more mileage ability there. And we are using the MBooster of Eicher where we save a lot of fuels which will be benefited by us. Eicher vehicle we are using from the past almost 10 to 15 years. The major fleets are the Eicher fleets where we are well satisfied with Eicher. In future we will be with Eicher.